Want to change the color of a shirt in Photoshop without losing texture? In this quick and professional tutorial, I'll show you how to do it step by step. First, open your image in Photoshop. Then, press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer. Select the Quick Selection tool W from the toolbar. Click and drag over the shirt to select it. With the selection still active, click on the Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom of the Layers panel and choose Hue Saturation. Now, check the Colorize box and adjust the hue, saturation, and lightness sliders to get your desired color. And that's it! You've successfully changed the shirt color in Photoshop like a pro. Want more Photoshop tricks? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. See you in the next video.